Want richer sound, smarter noise control, and all-day comfort in one pair of earbuds? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the TOZO NC9 Wireless Earbuds, engineered for premium sound and active noise cancellation in a sleek, comfortable design. Enjoy immersive audio, stable Bluetooth connectivity, and a seamless listening experience whether at home, commuting, or working out. With intuitive touch controls, all-day battery life, and IPX6 water resistance, they're perfect for music, calls, and on-the-go use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the TOZO NC9 Wireless Earbuds, charging case, extra ear tips, USB Type-C to USB-A charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, technical specifications. These in-ear wireless earbuds feature an ergonomic design for a secure and comfortable fit, perfect for all-day use. Built with a compact ABS body and an IPX8 waterproof rating, they provide full protection against sweat and water, making them ideal for workouts or outdoor use. Equipped with 6mm dynamic drivers, they deliver clear audio with balanced bass for music, calls, and videos. Lightweight earbuds pair perfectly with a compact, pocket-friendly charging case, making them easy to carry anywhere. Hybrid active noise cancellation blocks unwanted noise, while transparency mode lets in ambient sound so you stay aware of your surroundings. With approximately 60 milliseconds of low latency, your audio stays smooth and synced during videos and casual gaming. Smart touch controls and app support let you manage music, calls, EQ settings, and even your voice assistant effortlessly. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures stable, fast, and efficient connectivity, and support for SBC and AAC codecs provides reliable audio quality across devices. The in-ear silicone tips are designed for a snug and secure fit, naturally reducing background noise. Battery life lasts up to around 10 hours per charge, with a total of up to 60 hours using the charging case, and USB-C charging fully powers them in about 2 hours. Product features. These in-ear earbuds are crafted for a secure and comfortable fit, staying perfectly in place whether you're working out, commuting, or enjoying long listening sessions. The soft silicone tips adapt to your ear shape, naturally reducing external noise and ensuring all-day comfort without causing fatigue. Lightweight and ergonomically shaped, they offer a snug fit that makes them ideal for daily use or active lifestyles. Featuring 6mm dynamic drivers, these earbuds deliver crisp, clear audio with rich, balanced bass for music, calls, and videos. Hybrid active noise cancellation blocks out unwanted background noise, immersing you in your content, while transparency mode allows ambient sound in when you need to stay aware of your surroundings. Every song, podcast, or video comes alive with vibrant and detailed sound, making every listening experience enjoyable. You get up to approximately 10 hours of playback on a single charge and up to 60 hours total with the compact, pocket-friendly charging case. USB-C charging ensures a full recharge in about 2 hours, so your earbuds are always ready whenever you need them. This long-lasting battery life makes them perfect for travel, workouts, or extended use throughout the day without interruptions. With Bluetooth 5.3, these earbuds provide fast, stable, and efficient connectivity with all your devices, ensuring smooth audio with minimal interruptions. Smart touch controls combined with app support let you manage music, answer calls, adjust EQ settings, and access your voice assistant effortlessly. This combination of reliable connectivity and intuitive control allows for a personalized and convenient listening experience wherever you are. Product overview. The TOZO NC9 wireless earbuds feature a comprehensive design across both the earbuds and the charging case, starting with the outer face of each earbud, which houses the primary microphone at the bottom and a multifunctional indicator light that also serves as the noise-canceling microphone at the top. On the inner side, you will find the charging pins for power transfer, a clear L or R marker to indicate the correct ear, and a dedicated pressure relief hole to ensure acoustic comfort. Moving to the charging case, the front is equipped with a digital display screen that provides real-time battery percentages for the case and charging status bars for both the left and right earbuds. Finally, the back of the case includes a USB-C charging port for fast-wired power delivery and a physical reset button located right next to it to handle any connectivity or pairing adjustments. How to pair? To get started, download the official TOZO app from your smartphone's App Store or Play Store. The app allows you to manage device settings, customize touch controls, monitor battery life, and even update firmware, giving you full control over your earbuds. Open the charging case and remove the earbuds. They will automatically enter pairing mode. On your smartphone, turn on Bluetooth and look for TOZO NC9 Wireless Earbuds. In the list of available devices, select it to establish a connection. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation tone from the earbuds indicating pairing is successful. Open the TOZO app and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. You can customize touch gestures, check battery levels, and adjust audio settings according to your preference. After setup, your earbuds are ready to deliver high-quality sound, comfortable open-ear listening, and seamless performance for calls, music, and workouts. How to charge. Plug a USB-C cable into the charging port located on the back of the case. Connect the other end to a power source, such as a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. Once connected, the LED indicator on the case will light up to show that charging has started. Keep the case on a stable surface while charging and allow it to fully charge for maximum battery performance. The charging case supports Qi wireless charging. Simply place the bottom of the case, where the wireless charging contact is located, onto a compatible charging pad. Make sure the case is properly aligned with the center of the pad to ensure efficient charging. The LED indicator will turn on to confirm charging, and you can leave it on the pad until fully charged for convenient cable-free use. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. Product comparison. Talking about the materials and build, the TOZO NC9 Wireless Earbuds feature a compact plastic build with an IPX8 waterproof rating, making them more resistant to sweat and even water immersion. In comparison, the Basis Bowie MA10 comes with an ABS plus PC build and an IPX6 rating, which is still good for workouts and light rain, but not as fully waterproof as the NC9. Both offer ergonomic in-ear designs, but the Basis includes ear hooks for a more secure, sporty fit, while TOZO focuses more on comfort and everyday usability. The TOZO NC9 delivers clear, bass-rich sound with hybrid active noise cancellation and transparency mode, along with app support featuring multiple EQ presets for customization. On the other hand, the Basis Bowie MA10 steps it up with larger drivers and stronger ANC of up to around -48 decibels, plus ENC microphones for clearer calls and additional features like multiple sound modes and low latency performance for gaming. The TOZO NC9 offers around 10 hours of playback on a single charge and up to nearly 60 hours with the charging case, along with stable Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity. In comparison, the Basis Bowie MA10 delivers about 8 hours per charge, but an impressive total of up to 130 to 140 hours with its large capacity charging case, making it a standout for long usage. Both earbuds ensure fast, stable connections, with Basis also supporting Bluetooth 5.3. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.